Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto exchange funds to Robinhood cash balance step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your crypto exchange account. Navigate to the wallet or funds section of your account. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Click on the option to withdraw or send funds. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Now, open your Robinhood app or website. Log into your Robinhood account. Go to your account settings or cash management section. Locate your unique crypto wallet address for the desired cryptocurrency. Copy this wallet address carefully. Return to your crypto exchange withdrawal page. Paste the Robinhood crypto wallet address into the designated field. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any loss of funds. Review any transaction fees that may apply. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation of the withdrawal request. Wait for the transaction to be processed by the network. This may take several minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. After processing, check your Robinhood account for the deposited funds. You may receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Once the crypto is in your Robinhood account, you can convert or trade it as desired. And that's how you transfer crypto funds from an exchange to your Robinhood cash balance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.